Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing how my Christmas days went, the celebrations and the little moments, also how the season felt and celebrated here in Netherlands. Sending greeting cards is a really important part of Christmas in the Netherlands. Almost everyone does it family, friends, neighbors, and even acquaintances. In the past, I used to make handmade cards. This year, I decided to buy cards from a shop. I chose different designs depending on the person. They are simple but still beautiful. Usually, people here start sending their cards about a week before Christmas. I'm a bit late this time. My cards might reach just a day before Christmas. Also add some stickers to the cards, just small touches to make them feel more personal. Sending cards feels quite old fashioned now. With social media and instant messages, everything is fast. But a physical card feels different. It has a charm that digital messages don't. Since moving to the Netherlands, I really look forward to this every year, writing the cards, putting them in envelopes, and posting them. In December, the postal service here even has special Christmas stamps. In Dutch, they are called kerstzegels. It's a small detail, but it makes the whole experience feel more festive and special. And this is also the time of the year I collect kerstzegels. I do it every year. It has become a small habit of mine. I don't plan it, it just happened naturally. Each December, when I buy Christmas stamps, I keep a few aside, different designs, different years, and I also collect the stamps which people send to us, the cards. It's a tiny hobby, quiet and simple. Always liked stamps, their size, their details, the way they capture a moment in time. They feel like little stories printed on paper. For me, collecting carousels is another way of holding on to the season and to small traditions that still make me smile. Later that day, I decided to make my own essential oil perfume, something special for Christmas, a warm, wintry fragrance. I really enjoy blending oils. It feels slow and creative and very calming. I started with the base notes frankincense, myrrh, vetiver, and a little patchouli. These oils feel deep and grounding, resinous, comforting, perfect for winter evenings. Then I added the heart notes lang lang, geranium, and a touch of helichrysum, floral but not sweet. To finish, I added the top notes bergamot and a bit of orange, just enough to give a soft, fresh glow. When everything came together, the fragrance felt really beautiful, warm, calming, and very Christmassy. It smelled like comfort, winter, and like slowing down during the holidays. After that, Sufi and I went out for a walk. The air was cold and quiet. On the way, I stopped to post the Christmas cards. Dropping them into the post box always feels nice. I dropped Sufi back home, then I headed to the library for a bit, then to the city center. Just some simple Christmas shopping I want to do because I'm planning to make a Christmas plum cake. It's something very special from my homeland, spicy, rich, and full of flavor. It's a long process to make the cake, so I decided to start it the next day. For now, I just enjoy the calm evening. I started the cake preparation after my usual routine. I started by preparing the flavors. First orange zest, then fresh orange juice and some lemon zest. The kitchen is already smelling so nice. Then I made a caramelized sugar syrup slowly and very patiently because it can go wrong. After that, I added all the dry fruits into the orange juice and rum. I cooked it gently until all the liquid evaporated. Then I added the nuts. From there, it was the familiar cake making process, beating butter, eggs, and sugar together, adding flour, spices, and all the dry ingredients. Finally, I mixed the fruit and nuts mixture into the batter, poured it into the cake pan, and baked it for 1 hour. Once it was done, the cake smelled really amazing, rich and festive and spicy. I wrapped it carefully, ready to share with family and friends. I will distribute them tomorrow. In the evening, I spent some quiet time with Sufi. He has his Christmas gift, an Advent treat box. We've been opening one treat every day since the 1st of December. Now it's almost at the end. Every evening, he somehow knows that it's going to get opened. As soon as the time comes, he gets excited, he waits, he watches me. It's like a little ritual for him, something very special that belongs only to this season. Seeing his excitement makes the moment even nicer. Small traditions like this bring so much joy, especially in the quiet evenings before Christmas. On Christmas morning, we visited our neighbor. He is an artist and also one of Sufi's close friends. We exchanged Christmas wishes and spent some quiet, happy time together. In the evening, we headed out for family Christmas dinner. On the way, I noticed the sunset. So many colors in the sky. It was really beautiful. evening, we prepared dinner using our gourmet set. It's one of those cozy traditions, sitting together, cooking small portions, eating slowly, talking and laughing. It was very nice with some mango cocktail drinks and hot food on the table and no rush at all, just enjoying the moment. We ended the dinner with tiramisu. It was a lovely way to close the second day of Christmas. Here are few moments I captured during the festive days. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here. I wish you a beautiful year ahead filled with calm, health, and little joys. See you in another video. Take care.